Alright, so when your tolerance block does not fit for one of your dimensions, something you can do is either using this tool, in which you can see your different types of tolerancing or decimal precision. So we could set this at 4. Other place you could do this is right over here. This is where you can select your tolerance type. This is your precision. So let's say, so basic, this is for use with geometrical tolerancing. Let's go ahead and do bilateral. So let's say we can go up 5 thou or 50 thou and minus nothing. Let's actually put that in the proper place that I meant to put it. There we go. So that'd be an exceptionally tight tolerance. Plus 5/10, minus nothing. You could also do limit, where it shows you the range of values. So you could say this bottom limit, let's say you could go down 5 thou. Instead of showing the original number, there we go, now it's updated. Instead of showing the original number, it'll show you the upper and lower dimensions that you can actually hit, so that you don't have to do the math while you're looking at the print. There's a symmetric, so that's going to be a plus or minus. So let's say we could go plus or minus 1. Drop that down back down to 3 decimals since our tolerance is 3 decimal. And there's also fits and minimum and maximum. And then you can also have the parentheses, which will set this as a reference. If you want the entire thing to be in the parentheses, you can click right there, and that's actually how you set the whole thing as a reference dimension. And then you can do the precision, decimal precision on your tolerance. You can also change the spacing, and it's also possible to add different text in these boxes here. And you can also type in right here, let's say it's typical. You could add TYP to your dimensions here. You can also, even though this is not a diameter, let's say we wanted to add a diameter symbol to it, you could pop that in with these special symbols, or this tool right here to select even more symbols, such as depth. But we can get rid of that. And if you wanted to override this dimension, you could hit override and change your value here. That would keep your drawing the same. That is the reason why we generally put do not scale drawing, because it is possible that the scale is changed by changing this number and not actually changing the physical length. So now, even though this is 3 inches, now this is considered 4. So it's skewed now. But that makes it so that you can edit your sizes without having to worry about repositioning your dimensions. There we go. That is how you add tolerancing to individual dimensions, more advanced than just your simple tolerance block and number of decimals.